Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we're gonna do cheap barn door. That's right, everybody loves the barn doors, but they're super expensive. The hardware, the door, it gets pricey, but not for us. I'm gonna show you how. Let's get to it. Now, barn doors come with this little slider track and the little pulley system. They're super sweet, and when they were new a couple years ago, they were $200 for the unit. This one was about $35. The link's gonna be down below, and we paid $15 for this plywood, dressed it up, made it look barny. So I've got my piece of 3/4 inch sanded pine, and I've got it cut down to door height 80 inches and 32 wide. Then I ripped some 1/4 inch luan into 4-inch pieces, and I'm trimming out the door with that, so we're gonna run the length all the way in, cut these 2 pieces for the inside. Then I shot one across like so, and then we put a little farmhouse country twist on it. And I sanded the edges of the luan with a little palm sander. Now I'll take some construction adhesive and glue them down. Now let's let that sit overnight. Missed. Now we let that sit overnight. After we get the hardware on the door, measure from where the wheel contacts the top of the rail to the ground. Mine measured 84.5, and I want to add a 1/2 inch so the door can swing freely. 85 from the ground is where I want the top of my rail. Now I'm going to throw a level up here to make sure my track is level. Got this little 2-piece track. Fits up like so. Spacer, flat side to the wall, wood screw, washer. Working awesome. Now we've got these little bumper stops, slides through the track, tighten it down with an Allen wrench. Final little clip holds it in place, secure it to the floor, and you got it. So that's it. We just took no door, made it the barn door, did it for about $75, and you did it all yourself. Now make sure you close that door, unless you were raised in a barn. So for Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.